Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today's Thursday, February 18, 2021. It is 8:56 and 15 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, cardiac rhythm. So let's hop to it here. Heartbeat secrets unlocked as cardiac rhythm gene role identified. Date February 16, 2021. Source, University of Melbourne. Summary. Researchers have used a zebrafish to identify the role of a gene involved in the cardiac rhythm, which could help explain the fundamentals of what it takes to make a human heartbeat. The University of Melbourne study also found that mutation of the gene, TMEM16-1B, causes potentially fatal cardiac arrhythmia. 2.5% of Australians are living with cardiac arrhythmia, ABS. In 2019, it took 3,090 years of potential life. Mutations in this gene may be contributing to the cause of this. Published in Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, PNAS, the research could lead to better understanding and treatment of the condition in humans. Researchers discovered what TMEM16-1B does, when previously we had no idea of its function. Zebrafish eggs were used as they have complex beating hearts, similar to humans. 80% of zebrafish genes are like ours, and both use the same basic equipment. The researchers used naturally produced eggs to observe organ development under a microscope. The eggs are translucent, which allowed observation without interference. The researchers say this important discovery would improve our knowledge of the heartbeat. Until now, no one has known what it does, which makes this research so exciting. Researchers screened thousands of zebrafish families and found one with inherited arrhythmia. Working backwards from there, we found which gene was mutated to cause the arrhythmia. It turned out to be a gene that was completely uncharacterized. Researchers think it is suspected the finding would be relevant in humans. Given the prevalence of cardiac arrhythmias in Australia, the more we know about how the heart works. The gene described in the research appears to play a central function. So researchers expect it to be important, and more than just controlling heart rhythm, but that will take time to explore. If this turns out to be significant in humans, it will provide a new candidate for genetic screening of patients with cardiac arrhythmias. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. Well, I hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.